What's up, guys? Sci-Fi Bry here. We got a truck ablaze in this parking lot, and I just pulled in. I got front row seat. I don't know if so far we got an ambulance over here and a fire truck right here. It's like off into the parking lot. It looks like oh man, I'm not sure. I don't think it was a Chevy. Looks like a Dodge kind of, but I can't tell. Oh, something just popped. I believe the guy is a state patrol, and she is a civilian police officer. I've never met either one of them. Hopefully there's no injury or nothing. Boy, you can smell that rubber. It smells like burnt rubber really bad. It was totally engulfed in flames. I was coming from way over there, and I could see the flames from Taylor Drive. So we're in the parking lot of the Fringe Benefits secondhand store on Taylor Drive, right near Rogan's Shoes and Festival grocery store. Just got my phone with me right now, so just taking some footage of this. That's a Dodge. That's a truck. Extended cab. I don't know if PDF's is an extended cab, but it's similar to Port Earth Farmer's truck. Looks like they got it out. Smoking pretty good. Well, they're trying to get the hood open. Well, they pulled the bumper right up, and they're going in through the bumper by the radiator. Oh, there's still flames. It's still on fire, guys. I went and grabbed the hose again. He's got his head in there, and they're putting water on there. I just happened to be in the right place at the right time. Oh, now they got the hood up. See how they peeled like the bumper? It looks like it was peeled up. I don't think it's supposed to come up with the hood like that, unless maybe it does. I don't know. Sorry, it's so shaky. So I'm trying to remember what this used to be. I think it used to be a grocery store, and it's been closed forever. I mean, it's one of those buildings that they built brand new, and it had a business in it for like the first year, maybe two, and nothing since. Oh, fire, fire and rescue, Sheboygan Fire Department. Just went right in front of my view. I wonder if they did that on purpose. All I gotta do is walk over a second, but that's what I thought. Just communicating. Nothing on purpose. Well, it's stripped down now. There ain't much good on that anymore. Maybe the rims, you'd have to repaint them and shit. But other than that, not much. No, depending on, maybe a transmission or a differential. But yeah, it's going to the junkyard, man. It's total. Alright guys, I gotta get out of here. Thanks for watching. I don't think there's any injuries. So thanks for coming in. Love, peace, and hair grease. Hasta luego.